Can you really ask anonymous questions on Instagram? Recently, Instagram released a new anonymous question sticker which has been trending around the internet. And if so, how do you use it? Before that, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest uploads. So there's been rumors that Instagram added a new feature, allowing people to reply to this question sticker anonymously. The difference between the regular answers and this supposedly anonymous feature is that the one who posted the story will not see the identity of the person who replied to it. So let's put it into test. I have my two iPhones in here. I logged in with two different accounts. I will post a question sticker on my first device, and I will reply with my other device to test if it's truly an anonymous question. Just click the question sticker to add it. I'll just leave it as ask me a question. Okay, click next and share it as your story. So after that, I will open my story in my other device and try to ask questions. So let's say, is it truly anonymous? Then send. Let's go back to the first device. Open your story. Tap on the Send By on the lower left corner. There you see the responses. It's clear, guys, that the identity of the person is not hidden. So this trend is a prank played by people convincing their followers to spill their honest thoughts without fear of retribution. Unfortunately, if you answer any of these forums, the user will still be able to see your username. At this time, there isn't an option to do an anonymous question in Instagram without using a third-party apps. So that's it. I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next vlog. Ciao!